Today I'm going to show you how to set up a metal frame pool with a filter pump. First, you're going to clear off a flat area of your yard. Make sure that you've raked it out to avoid any sticks and rocks. Then lay down a tarp. To keep the tarp from wrinkles and blowing away, I'm going to put these spikes in along the edges. Next, we're going to lay out the pool. As you're laying it out, just make sure that you put the side that you want the pump in the correct spot. There are two sizes of pipes. The wider ones are for around the ring and the narrower ones are for the legs. The T-joint is going to go where there's a cutout along the ring. So slide the wider pipes through and attach the T-joint. So you're going to continue all the way around in one direction till you get back to where you started. And the last one is usually the hardest one to fit together. Reposition it, making sure that you've got it in the center of where you want. Next, you're going to set up the legs. Start by attaching the foot, then put the leg through the strap and attach it into the T-joint. Every once in a while this gets twisted, so you just got to get it so that the blue is outward facing. Now you're going to make sure that each of the legs is perpendicular with the ground and pull them out to remove the wrinkles from the center. Next, you're going to start filling up your pool. Make sure that before it gets too full that you've taken out all the wrinkles. While the pool is filling, we're going to attach the filter pump. There are 3 different attachments, so screw them together. The 2 outlets have a hole in here to put a screw. The 2 lower holes are for the filtered output attachments. It comes with 4 hoses. You're going to take the 2 shorter hoses and attach them to the outlets. Twist each one on with a clamp. Attach the short hoses to the T. Now add the inlet to the inside of the pool. Next, add the brace with the flat part on the bottom. Add the cap and attach the longer hose. Attach the other long hose to the T. The filter pump has 2 levels, the water going in and the water coming out. Attach the water going in to the upper side and the hose to the water going out on the other side. And it's always important to make sure that the black rubber ring stays in place. As the pool is filling, make sure that the legs are perpendicular to the ground. Unscrew this valve to get the air out of the hoses. Once the water level is above the outlets and the inlet, you can turn the filter pump on. Again, the water is going to flow out of the outlets, into the top part of the filter pump, back out through the bottom into the pool. You can let the water fill until it's just a little bit below this blue line. Now we're going to put on the cover. After you get the pool cover on, you can tie the strings tight so it doesn't fly off. And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.